Come on in, y'all. I have the ultimate soul food burrito using leftovers from Thanksgiving. Let me show you how. All right, guys, I was able to steal some leftover for this ultimate soul food leftover burrito. Okay, now here I got all these videos I will link, but they are on my channel. I got my greens, my mac and cheese, and then I was able to take a little bit of that fried turkey. I don't know how I stole this, but I did. Yeah, I gotta tell y'all, one year my husband's cousin made a whole plate for himself for Thanksgiving and left it at my house, and my husband ate it. I'm just gonna get this in the microwave. I want this to warm through a little bit so that before we put it in the burrito, it'll be warmed. All we have to do is toast that burrito. So just a couple minutes in the microwave. I also warmed up my tortilla for about 15 minutes. I'm just gonna pile this in. I like to go in with the macaroni first to give my burrito a base. I'm just gonna go ahead and add all of that here. Alright, and then next up, I'm gonna add my greens on top or in the middle. It'll be inside the middle of the burrito. I actually like to eat my greens and macaroni and cheese together, so this is perfect. Now from here, I'm just gonna see. I'm not even gonna use a knife. I'm just pull apart this turkey breast, lay it in here. Now this is a great leftover recipe. You could, and it's easy, just a few seconds in the microwave and you toast it up or not. You could totally leave this here and this will be a delicious burrito, but I like to kick mine up just a little bit. I always have a little bit left of giblet gravy, so I like to kind of just put this on the inside just so it can have something dripping and oozing out. And then the last thing I'm gonna add, again, this is totally optional, but I do always have some around and I like the crunch here. I have some of those French fried onions. So I had those left over from a green bean casserole. I'm gonna toss a few in. All right, now we can just roll this up. Okay, I like to just kind of press everything down. Roll in one end, tuck and roll the other, and then go on this side, bring it in together. And that is it. I'm gonna get ready to toast this up in my pan. Get a little butter in the pan. This is perfectly delicious. Like I said, you can eat it just like that, but I do like to toast it up just a little bit. Just because it's leftovers doesn't mean we have to throw it in any shade. We still want to kick this up if we can. So I'm just going to melt this down a little bit over medium heat. I'm going to get my burrito in. I'm going to first get it on the bottom, then I flip it over after it's toasted a little bit. Actually, that's the top. I'm going to give it a little press to make sure that all of that top of the tortilla gets into the butter and gets browned. And then I think I'm ready to go ahead and flip it over. Let's see. Yep. Same thing, give it a little press so that I can get toasted and brown. And I mean, seriously, even if you go through the trouble of toasting it, it takes about 5 minutes for the whole thing, start to finish. I've had a lot of Thanksgiving leftovers, but this is hands down my favorite. I serve it with my leftover cranberry mustard sauce. I will link the recipe to that one as well. I hope you enjoy.